Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Suno AI app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Suno AI application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here at bottom, you'll be able to find several icons. Simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. You'll be able to find the options like my subscriptions, music model, appearance, language, etc. Tap on the option appearance that you can see at third. Now you'll be led to the appearance interface. You'll be able to find three options over here: light mode, dark mode, use device settings. So there are basically two ways in order to enable the dark mode. You can also select the option for use device settings. After that, simply enable dark mode on your device. After that, you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled in the Suno AI application. Or there is also another way. For that, what you have to do is tap on the option dark mode that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled. So like this, you'll be able to enable the dark mode. So that is how you enable dark mode on Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.